Start off with a 21 millimeter. We're going to take off the 4 lug nuts. And then, if you still have the factory rims, you're going to need the key. It's really simple. It just slides on. Use the same 21 millimeter to take it off with. Now we're going to come over here and see it's really wobbly. Almost really nothing of it left. And once I take it off, I'll show you these joints. So, give it some spray. Try to help it out. Now these are very easy to get to. Top and bottom. There's a lot of room already in the car. I have air tools, but you do not need air tools. You just need a 19 millimeter wrench to lock onto the nut on the back of the bolt, like so. And then you'll need a 17 millimeter deep socket to get onto the nut itself to get it off. So I'm gonna use air tools, but again, this can easily be done. 18 millimeter, I'm sorry, I'm not sure. Here it is. Here's that completely loose and broken joint. Again, these weren't going to fail per se, and if it does, you'll just hear a lot of beating and clunking, but I'm going to get them fixed now. So here's what I'm going to be replacing them with. It's a FVP product, not a sponsor, but I've actually switched over buying a lot of their stuff. It's affordable, lifetime warranty, and so far everything has been great. But yeah, you can just tell especially in the joints itself, how much different these parts are. Just a lot heftier part. I don't know. Yeah. Also, a lot of times I see the two parts needing 2 different types of nuts and bolt sizes and all that stuff, but actually with this product it's really close to factory. Get the bottom lined up. These are nice and new, so the parts are nice and stiff. But it should only take you about 5 minutes. If you're doing it by hand, space out about 15 minutes of your life, but that's it. And we'll reverse process. Again, it's the same 19 millimeter backing, but you honestly shouldn't need it with these new parts. But if you do, it's still 19 millimeter. And then we'll do the last 18 millimeter nut. And we are done. That's it. See how much, just much sturdier this is. All right, hope you like the video. Get the tire put back on, and job's all done.